up your video day? So guys, ako na po, naging teacher Mika na po ako guys. So to guys, math today guys. So English pala to ngayon. I'm sorry baby. I'm sorry baby. Lipat-lipat ka ng bata ka. Uy, saan ka pupunta? Bata ka. Buhat. Ay, buhat talaga ang bastik. Ayan. Tara! Shh, hoy. Ito yung mama mo. Your baby. Hi. Good night. Already? Yes. So guys, namimigay siya ng pera. So guys, isi yung batang yan. Napakakulit talaga. Lumilipat talaga ng pwesto, te. Take. Ay, binigyan talaga ako. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah. So guys, napakakulit talaga ng kita lang ng baby mo Bye to. Bye to. See you next. See you next. See you next day. See you next day. Hinamang motor mo na. I wanna. Tayo. Why? What's number your house? What number your house? Number your house. What number your house? I wanna see you. What's up here? Ano? Motor talaga. I wanna see you. So guys, asan kaya yung ano nila? Ayun sila oh. Yung pala sila. Sundan kaya natin. Ayun sila oh. Ay! Teka, sila ba yan? Ba yata yan eh. Uy! Teleport! Uy, sino yun? Hanag na ako ng bank. Uy, alam mo ni. So kaya yun. O nga pala, kaaraw nga ngayon. So guys, alam po yung ano yun. Sino? Hi. your mom. Hi. Hi. Time to play. School again? Yes. Yes. Saturday, no classes. Saturday, no classes. No classes. No classes. Ape again? No classes. No classes. Saturday, no classes. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What does he mean? I don't know.
Grabe ka lang kumain din. Ako ba lang kapag
Patay. Hindi mo makasama sa kulit pag uwi. Meron pa yun, nasa diyan eh.
Let's go.
ikaw ang bebe.
Oo. Uy, sumusunod kayo. Please. Do you want to play?
Ayos ka. Oh, myself. Sa
Paniniwala. May pag-asa nga ba? Na baka puso ko'y mabigat. Salamian mo. Hey, baby. What's yours? Let's go. Let's go! Sabi ko. Let's go, anak. Hey, nga pala, pumunta na pala siya sa school. Let's go. Yan, school today. Ay! Yan. So, let's student onion. Sayang onion, ha? Lagi mo ko ginaganyan yung mukha mo, ha? Hey! Halikater. Hey. Oo. Hey. Okay, bye-bye.